I'll just show you how to stream audio from your phone through the Bluetooth system in this 2020 Porsche Macan. So first of all, we go to music. We find something Glorious by the Foxes. I like that. If you see there at the bottom, if I click on that, it's showing iPhone or CarPlay, iPhone speakers or CarPlay. I don't want either of those. What I want is for it to play via Bluetooth. So I'll go on to media, turn it down again, it keeps turning it up. I'll get a copyright strike. And then at the top there, you've got DAB FM and an arrow. That's what we want. So we click on there, and then we go to Bluetooth. Click Bluetooth, use PCM, Barry's iPhone, and you'll see there Porsche's come up. That's what we want. And that's it. It's playing.